Hi, this is a short video showing you how to choose and turn on the alert feature within our smart alarm systems. The method is the same for all control panels. You can choose to select any of the 8 alarm zones to be alert zones. This makes no changes to the full alarm mode. Once you have chosen which zones are an alert zone, you can choose when to turn the alert feature on or off. Step 1. Choose which zones to be an alert zone. Press the user code, default 1234, enter, spanner symbol, bell symbol. Using the keypad, you can choose which zones you wish to enable as alert zones. Remember, this does not affect the alarm functions. The zone visible will be enabled as alert zones. Once you are happy with your selection, press enter. Step 2. Choosing when the alert is turned on and off. This is done by either the remote control, the wireless keypad or the built-in keypad. To turn on, using the remote control, press the bell symbol. Using the wireless keypad or the built-in keypad, press the user code, default 1234, enter button and bell symbol. To turn off, using the remote control, press the unlock padlock symbol. Using the wireless keypad or the built-in keypad, press the user code, default 1234, enter button and unlock symbol. Once you have turned on the alert zone, the relevant sensors will trigger that chime. Thank you for watching this video from Ultra Secure Limited.